up, people? I'm at a Home Depot now. I had to run a quick errand. I had to get these things. So I want to make a quick clip to see if all of these things will fit in that car. So that'll be interesting to see. I'm holding everything in. And what these things are baseboard covers for the house that I'm renovating. So can all of these things fit in the trunk of this car? I guess we'll find out. I guess so. I think that's pretty good. I guess it might fit. Let's give it a try. So it's $1,000 worth of baseboard covers. 21 boxes to be exact. Some of them are 8 feet, some of them are 6 feet, 3, 4, and 5. So let's see how she does. There you go. For those of you who didn't believe me, yes, you can fit 21 baseboard covers in a 2017 M3. And let me show you how I did it, because it's pretty incredible. First and foremost, I had to move the front seats forward a little bit. And what I did was I loaded the longer pieces right in the middle. I folded the seats in the back and I stacked all of them up. And actually there's a lot of room here in the back as well, so I could probably get a lot more stuff. But this is what it looks like in the trunk. So the trunk is fully loaded and it closes fairly easily. Well, maybe not. All right. Then on this side, we've got another view. One guy is on the side. And on this side, I've got my baby seat. Is it going to be the most comfortable drive home? Probably not. But I'm just a couple of miles away and it's all local streets, so I should be fine. Right, so I'm back in the car and I have just enough room. Good visibility in the back with these boxes. The only thing that's kind of tricky is shifting gears. So these boxes are sitting over the shifter, so I'm just gonna have to be a bit more creative when it comes to shifting. But I've got great visibility in the back. I can see my rear view mirrors. Same thing with this one, so no issues there. But I wanted to make this quick clip to show you guys and girls that I use the car every day, and if you have a car like this, you could too. This car is meant to be driven. It's meant to be taken to Home Depot. It's meant to be taken to a racetrack. It's meant to be taken on your family trips. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. This was a short clip, so don't mind that. Bye. Here we go. Please don't get pulled over.
Left onto Jefferson Avenue.
I probably shouldn't be filming and driving. My wife would kill me.